Hello guys, welcome to Little Press. So today we are continuing with the variation. This is inverse variation. Okay, so I'm going to use this problem to teach you how to tackle inverse variation. And the problem is P varies inversely as the square of Q plus 1 and P is 2 when Q is 3. A. Write an equation connecting P and Q. B. Find the possible values of Q when P is equal to 8. So this is the question we are going to solve. So first of all, it says P varies inversely the square of Q plus 1. So let's write it here. So P, then our proportional sign varies as the inverse. So here you see that inverse is 1 over something. So 1 over A is inverse of A. Is the same as A power negative 1. Okay, so this is why we call it inverse. So it's the same as 1 on A plus 1. It says the square. So square it. So inverse of A plus 1 squared. So it's Q plus 1 like this. So now we need to represent our proportional sign with a constant. Okay, so we can choose K. Say that P is equal to K multiplied by 1 on Q plus 1 all squared. And when you multiply K by 1, you are going to get P is equal to K on Q plus 1 all squared. So you can say that this is our equation 1. And don't forget, in the question, it said that P is 2 when Q is 3. So don't forget, always use these figures to find the constants, okay? To solve for the constants, to make the equation complete. So it said that when P is equal to 2, Q is what? 3. So we get 2 is equal to K on 3 plus 1 all squared like this. So we are going to get 2 is equal to K on 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 squared. Let's continue from here. Further, you can get 2 is equal to K on 4 is 16. So 4 squared is 16, okay? Then we make K the subject. So we are going to multiply both sides by 16. 16. So this one will cancel this. Get K is equal to 32. So we sub back this K into the original equation, which is equation 1. Okay. So put K is equal to 32 into equation 1. So our equation connecting P and Q is going to be, so it's P is equal to 32 on Q plus 1 all squared. So this is the answer for A. Okay. Now we need to solve for B. It says find the possible values of Q when P is equal to 8. So when P is equal to 8, Q is equal to what? I don't know. Now that we are going to look for Q. So we use this equation. P is equal to 32 on Q plus 1 all squared. Now we know this to be 8. So we say that 8 is equal to 32 on Q plus 1 all squared. See? So we can multiply both sides by Q plus 1 all squared. Q plus 1 all squared. So this one will cancel this one here, leaving 8 into bracket Q plus 1 all squared is equal to 32. See? Okay, let's continue. Then we can also divide both sides by 8. Agree? So you divide both sides by 8. Divide both sides by 8. This 8 will cancel this, leaving Q plus 1 all squared equal to 4. Because 32 on 8 is 4. So we are going to get, don't forget, we still have the square. So we can take square root of both sides. So we can say that square root of Q plus 1 all squared is equal to 4 square root, you see. So this one will cancel this, leaving Q plus 1 is equal to square root of 4 is what? Plus or minus 2. See? So we can say that Q is equal to plus or minus 2 minus 1 because we are making Q the subject. So possible values of Q, can say that Q is equal to, so for the positive side, say 2 minus 1, which is 1, or Q is equal to minus 2 minus 1, we are getting what? Negative 3. So the values of Q when P is equal to 8, you say that it should be Q is equal to 1 or negative 3. So these are the values we get for Q. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe for more.